seek refuge in Allah from the accursed devil. In the name of Allah, the most merciful. How are you, people? Are you fine? Are you well? Today we both brought something different for you. Something that maybe still confuses many of you. Something you may have heard about, but never fully understood. This topic is about the reality that many people drown in the sea and die. What is that thing? Today we will discuss it. We will show you how patience is tested and how this beautiful view of water and wind hides something very dark beneath. When we look at the sea, our hearts feel peace. But inside the sea, many things are happening that people have no idea about. There are things in the ocean that neither you nor I know. From above, the water looks blue and beautiful. The wind blows softly. Everything seems calm. But under that calm surface, the world's biggest hidden system is running. A system where the law cannot reach. All around the world, people hide their crimes inside the ocean. That is what we are talking about today. There are so many places in the sea with no police, no monitoring, no check and balance. Is this just a coincidence? Or is it because wrongdoers face no punishment there? People who work illegally in the ocean have full freedom. They loot, they cheat, and no one catches them. One of their biggest tricks is called the ghost ship. A ship with no man, no crew, no signal. Just a silent, empty ship moving like a ghost. No one knows what is inside. Sometimes people, sometimes weapons, sometimes things beyond imagination. Everything happens in darkness. Everything happens in silence. And when the Coast Guard comes near, the Coast Guard of any country, this ship disappears from radar as if it never existed. Another trick is the fake fishing boat. From above, it looks completely silent, but below, a mafia is running. Smuggling, trafficking. Everything continues. That is why the Coast Guard ignores them. It looks like fishing. But at night, their real business begins. Another dark truth of the sea is the deep drop. People throw things into the deepest parts of the ocean, things that can never be found again. They take it to depths where light cannot reach. Not light, not anything. Packages, bodies, weapons. Everything is thrown down and the water swallows it all. No one finds a solution. No one knows what happened. Then comes the border jump. The police chase the criminals. The criminals run. And suddenly, their boat enters another country's water. The police stop. They have limits. They cannot cross the border. The other country does not respond, and the criminals sit there, enjoying themselves as if no one can stop them. The biggest cheating in our country is the donkey route, illegal travel from one country to another. Agents take lakhs of rupees, take innocent boys, children, families. People sell their land, their tractors, their shops, and give their entire life savings to these agents. Agents say, just a little patience. Europe starts from here. But the real truth is, Europe does not start. The biggest danger of life starts. "15 to 20-foot waves, plastic boats, dark water, no safety, and one wrong movement ends everything. Parents and children sit in a plastic boat with no guarantee of survival. The boat can drown anytime. No one knows the sea's mood. When people are about to drown, the captain or his group raises a flag with SOS written on it. Save us, we are drowning. Sometimes the Coast Guard hears them, sometimes not. If rescue is delayed, the sea becomes wild and everything is finished. Only the sea remains. Cargo ships carry 20,000 containers. No one knows what is inside. If someone is locked inside, their voice is lost in the noise of the ocean. No one hears anything. The biggest crime happening today is the midnight transfer. At 2 or 3 in the morning, 2 ships come close. Lights off, signals off. A pipe is connected. Fuel is transferred silently. Darkness, silence, and millions of dollars are moved without anyone knowing. In this world, everything that looks beautiful is also dangerous. Those who run away from the world take the sea route, and the sea gives only 2 things, either fate or death. If you want success, work hard, pray, and trust Allah. Educated people in villages should guide innocent people so they do not fall into traps. Take care of yourself. Subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.